Hi, Cameron and Dorothy. I am going to show you how I sign in as Cameron and see if that helps. So first you go to the website like you have been doing and you press on I'm a student. And then maybe what I would do too is I sent you this yesterday and I can attach it again today. You could, if you want, copy and paste this, and maybe that would make sure that no letters are missing because I know that's a really long code. And then you go down here to the text code and you could paste it, or you could just write it down on a piece of paper and type it in. It's up to you and what you're able to do. Then press go. And then you're in. So that should work, and if it doesn't, let me know. Once you're in, here is today's schedule, and you can just press on it. And then here are the links to the different activities. And here's the code for Epic Books. So just shoot me an email and let me know if this doesn't work, and we can figure something out. All right, you guys, have a good weekend. We'll be in touch. Bye.